The wider side of the pocket fabric is the width. Place the ashoke fabric on fold. From the top edge, measure down 4.5 inches and from the bottom 3.5 inches. Now go inward by 1.25 inches and sew along the marked lines. The longer line at the top is the pocket opening. Measure 1 inch from the top. Fold it over and sew as shown. Next, from each of the 3 pocket sides, measure in 1.25 inches. Make a fold on that line and sew a tiny straight line of about 0.25 inch. At the 90-degree corners, fold as demonstrated and sew a line to form a box shape. Repeat the same process for the other corner. For the lay the fabric open to expose the new side seam. From the waistline, measure down 13 to 14 inches. Mark 4 inches towards the front. Place the cargo pocket in position and use chalk to outline the area. Fold the flat edges in by 0.25 inch and top stitch directly on the chalk line. Then fold and top stitch the remaining 2 sides, making sure to pivot at the corners for a neat finish. To make the pocket flap, fold the lengthwise and sew the 2 sides using a 0.5 inch seam allowance. Turn it inside out, then overlock the open top edge. Position the flap half an inch above the cargo pocket. Top stitch it down, then fold it over and top stitch again 0.25 inches from the top to create a clean and secure flap.